it's Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. I create content for those of you who are on this journey with me to do better, be better, and to live our best lives. Now, before we continue on into this video, make sure to subscribe as well as tap that little notification bell, especially if you want to continue seeing more content like this. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing and demoing a product by the brand belif, specifically the True Cream Moisturizing Bomb. I first started using this product years ago. I was looking for a moisturizer that would provide me the amount of moisturizing that I needed, like desperately needed, but without clogging my pores. You know, nothing thick, nothing thick, and something that I can use regularly, that I could use every day. And eventually I kind of like stumbled across it when I heard another YouTuber mentioning it in their skincare routine, and I decided, you know, might as well give it a shot. Now you guys know what time it is. It's notes time. This product claims to be a comforting, cushioning moisturizing cream that provides dry, flaky, and dull skin with a flood of intense 26-hour, not 24 y'all, 26-hour hydration, leaving it supple, smooth, and deeply nourished. Ideal for normal to dry skin types and helps with dryness and loss of firmness and elasticity. So when I was looking up for more like information about the description, when it was stating cushiony, this is what I found online. The cushiony cream format is designed to burst when applied, releasing a flood of moisture onto skin, and then absorb completely without stickiness for a healthy, smooth, and supple appearance. And then when I was looking into the whole 26-hour, because you know, I just thought that was kind of odd, you know, there's 24 hours in a day, so where's this claim coming from with the 26 hours? Apparently it was clinically tested and shown to provide 26 hours of intense, long-lasting hydration. I don't know how it was clinically tested. I don't know the details of that testing, but you know, that's where they got the 26 hours from. So the highlighted ingredient in this formulation is comfrey leaf. Comfrey leaf detoxifies skin, leaving it smooth, soft, and clear. In this particular formulation of their moisturizer, they also highlighted that they use Napier's original formula as well as Napier's moisture formula. And Napier's, so I was Googling trying to figure out what you mean Napier's, who's this Napier's? But apparently there was this individual back from the 19th century named Duncan Napier, and he was a botanist and herbalist. He believed in like the healing power of herbs and things like that, and would incorporate that into medicinal care and things of that nature. So belif kind of like piggybacked on some of his ideas and formulations and things like that and incorporated it into their skincare products, just to give you a little, you know, 411 on that. But anyways, the original formula, the Napier's, and I'm probably not even pronouncing that right. Please correct me in the comments down below if I'm mispronouncing it. But the Napier's original formula is packed with antioxidants meant to provide skin calming, anti-trouble, anti-aging benefits to keep skin healthy and radiant. And then the moisture formula is meant to balance skin's oil and water levels by minimizing excess oil production and supplying water for the skin. Now some noteworthy FYIs. belif, just in case you didn't know, belif is a Korean skincare brand, and the product itself is made in Korea. It is free of mineral oil, petrolatum, synthetic preservatives and dyes, as well as ingredients from an animal origin. When I checked online, I looked at cruelty-free-kitty.com, and they said that the brand belif is not cruelty-free, just FYI. So even though it may not use animal ingredients that are from an animal origin, they may be doing like animal testing, you know what I mean? When I was looking at the website, it kind of came to this conclusion because belif does distribute products in China. Also, when I looked on the belif site, it said that there was no synthetic fragrance in this particular product, but when I looked on Sephora's site, it said it had less than 1% synthetic fragrance. something to note. So the product itself comes in 3 sizes. There's the 25 ml, which is 0.84 fluid ounces, and that particular product is, let me double check, is $22. So that's like their mini size if you wanted to give it a shot. See if it's worth investing for like the regular size or even the value size. Next is their standard size, which is the one that I have, which is 50 mLs, and that is 1.68 fluid ounces, and that size costs $38. Then there's the value size. Yes, girl. Yes. The value size is twice the size of this. It's 100 mLs, which is 3.38 fluid ounces for $62. So in terms of how to use, it's pretty simple. The directions state to apply evenly to the face and neck after a serum, use daily, morning and evening. By the way, you guys, if you find the information that I'm providing in this video helpful or informative, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that other people can see it as well. It's time for the tea. I really like the lid. The design of the lid makes it very easy to open as well as to tightly close it. Packaging itself does have some weight to it. It's a bit heavy. And the one thing about the packaging that I don't like really is, and this is in general, I don't like it when I open the packaging and everything, like all the contents, is exposed to air at the same time. It just, in my mind, I feel like it makes it not last as long. I like it more so where, you know, maybe I'll just have a little exposed at a time, like the amount that I'm using in that moment, just to help with the shelf life of my products. And I also like that you can't see through it. So basically the contents in the product is being protected from light. The color itself of the cream is basically just white. This is a stark white cream. It does have like this light, pleasant citrus scent, and that's probably due to like the essential oils that are in the formulation. The texture itself is very lightweight. It's kind of like a whipped sort of texture, but it's still creamy. Sometimes when you get something that's whipped, it's more like fluffy sort of whip, you know what I mean? So like I mentioned before, I've been using this for years, and it's definitely one of my go-to everyday moisturizers. And out of my everyday moisturizers, this has to be the most moisturizing that I use. I tend to use it all year round, especially on days when my skin feels more dry or dull. And at night, especially in the winter time, at night, I do like to mix this moisturizer with a drop or a couple of drops of the facial oil, like for instance, the sea berry, them paste buses. I like mixing the moisturizer with a few drops of the sea berry oil by Fresh, and which is a tip that I got from another YouTuber when I was watching her video when it came to like a nighttime skincare routine, and I've been doing that for years now too, and I just love it. You just wake up with your skin feeling all like baby soft and smooth and moisturized, and just like it, I don't even know how to describe it. You just gotta try it. But like I said, I do like mixing it with a facial oil at night and putting it on my face, because the next morning I wake up and my skin just looks radiant. It just feels so supple. During the day, especially during the summer, like the more humid, hot months, I prefer to use it on its own, not with a facial oil, because if with this particular moisturizer, because it is so moisturizing, I find that if I use it with a facial oil during the summer, during the hot, humid months, that is just too much for my skin. The thing about this moisturizer that I love is the fact that it's so moisturizing without being so thickety thick. Like it's not thick, but yet it's still very moisturizing. You know how some moisturizers, like they're so thick that it just feels uncomfortable on your face? Like it's kind of just sitting there. Like this moisturizer doesn't do that, and I can appreciate it. I don't recall ever breaking out after using this moisturizer. Like this has never caused me to break out. And I must say, it feels really good putting on. Like it does feel a bit luxurious when you put it on. Maybe it's that whole like cushiony formula that they have when it's like bursting and all that stuff. I don't know, but it does feel very luxurious putting it on. It feels good. The experience feels good. It sort of like glides on as you're applying it, so you're not forced to like tug on your skin. The application is very, very easy because ideally you don't want to be tugging on your skin. And I must say, when it comes to that 26-hour moisturizing claim, in my opinion, it does last a very long time. Like I've never timed it to see if it actually hit the 26-hour mark, but I know it lasts the whole day for me in terms of keeping my skin moisturized. And it doesn't matter if it's winter or summer, it does keep my skin moisturized for the whole day. Now the finish is a bit dewy, so if you don't like a little bit of shine after applying your moisturizer, a little bit of that glow, then this might not be the moisturizer for you. I'm okay with it. That's another reason why I like this moisturizer. I personally would definitely recommend this product, especially if you have more normal to dry skin. It might be a bit much for people with oily skin, depending on how oily your skin is. But if you have skin that's more normal to dry, definitely try giving this moisturizer a shot. With all that being said, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this moisturizer. Is this a moisturizer that you've tried in the past? Is it a part of your skincare arsenal? Also, let me know if you think it's something worth giving a shot if you've never tried it before. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you at my next upload. Bye-bye.